Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install SurePayroll for small business tax calculation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official SurePayroll website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click on it to begin the registration process. Fill out the required information, including your business name and contact details. Choose the appropriate plan that best fits your business needs. Proceed to create a unique username and password for your account. After setting up your account, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link to verify your email address. Once verified, log back into your SurePayroll account. On the dashboard, select Set up Payroll to start the configuration process. Enter your business information, including tax details and employee information. Input your employees' names, social security numbers, and pay rates. Set the pay schedule that aligns with your business operations. Review your information for accuracy before moving forward. Once everything is confirmed, proceed to set up your tax information. Choose the tax forms relevant to your state and business type. Enter any necessary tax ID numbers where prompted. With tax information complete, move to integrate your banking details. Provide your bank account information for direct deposit options. Save all entered details as you proceed through the setup prompts. After completing the setup, review the dashboard for an overview of your payroll. Familiarize yourself with the available features, such as payroll reports and tax filing options. Schedule your first payroll processing time. Ensure all employee hours and earnings are correctly entered for processing. Once satisfied, click Run Payroll to finalize the process. Confirm the payroll before the final processing takes place. After processing, all payroll records will be available for review. That's it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.